What's going on, guys? So today I'm out here in Elkhart, Indiana at the dealer open house event. This is essentially where manufacturers get to show dealers what new products they have, what changes they've made, and this is an opportunity for dealers to figure out what they're going to stock their yards with. Now, we are at Alliance, and I want to give you a tour of this 395DS. This is one of my favorite floor plans from the folks over at Alliance, and they're doing so many things right with this, especially if you're on the fence between maybe a mid-bunk or a bunkhouse unit and a two-bedroom unit. So this is going to give us an opportunity to kind of see what they're doing from a two-bedroom perspective. Hang tight, I'll be right back. Real quick, let's take a look at the numbers on this unit. It's going to have a gross vehicle weight rating of 18,000 pounds. It's going to have a dry weight of 15,526 pounds, a cargo capacity of 2,414 pounds. It's going to ride on twin 8,000 pound axles. And this is going to have a ton of stuff going on. It's going to have hydraulic leveling system on it. This has the CURT Helix suspension pin box with coil spring and shock absorber. It's going to have a water manifold system. I mean, honestly, this is awesome. I love the fact that they're putting a full water manifold system in with individual water cutoffs just in case you have a problem. Has the Blue Tech water filtration system. This is going to have the ability to control slide outs from this side of the RV, so you can tell if you're close to something when to stop. That's really cool. Plus, you're actually going to have gate control valves for your sewer connections, which is also really cool. And real quickly, this is also going to ride on the CURT Touring suspension. This is basically a semi-independent coil sprung suspension with dual shock absorbers. It's going to have a very, very reinforced frame. And there's just so many good things going on about this unit. Plus, you have this dedicated trash area. So if you have your trash, you want to put it out here, you literally have to go out here, just grab your trash, throw it away, and it drops in from the top. Or you could use this as extra storage if you want. So there's other capabilities and possibilities when you have stuff like this. 50 amp connection outside of your water heater. And this is going to have storage for, so it comes with 30-pound propane cans, but you could fit a 40-pound propane can in here, which is nice. This also has this baggage door right here, which swings open like this, so you have full access to it even though there is a slide out above, which uses the cable driven exact slide out mechanism. Here's your pass-through storage, and this is actually a really, really large pass-through storage. That is very nice. All right, let's work our way around and head inside. So you have your power cutoff right here. You have a Victron 30 amp solar charge controller, as well as a spot to put a generator if you want one. Battery box right here as well. Again, hydraulic leveling, other side of your propane. You have this nice hatch right here as well.
Oh, yeah.
Tremendous amount of storage in here. This is nice. Plus, again, you have your awning and slide out controls on this side, just so you can avoid hitting things if you're close to it, as well as motion detection lighting. This is going to ride on a drop frame also. We're going to stop real quick so you can take a look at the floor plan and this 2026 395DS. All right, let's hop inside, see what this thing is all about. Okay, walking up the MORryde step above steps. We're gonna start kind of panning around with the kitchen, looking in the living room space. I got my good friends from eTrailer in here as well. This is one of my favorite floor plans because they've been able to accomplish so much in a fifth wheel. It's absolutely crazy. You have a really, really nice kitchen area, solid surface countertops all the way around, undermount stainless steel sink, full residential oven stove in here, which is nice, as well as a residential microwave above. Lots of cabinetry. This is just really, really great from a storage perspective. All soft closing, nice window behind the stove, as well as reinforced drawers with really cool features inside of them. And here you're going to have your spot where you're going to have your breakers and fuses. On this side, this is going to drop down so you can have extra storage there, as well as underneath the sink. And then this is the top portion to that trash chute that I showed you, or whatever you want to use it for. On this side, you're going to have your large Furrion residential size refrigerator freezer. This also has flush floors, which is also nice. And you have your pantry in here with adjustable shelves and motion detection lighting. I love the LED lighting that they put all around the crown molding up top as well. Beautiful ceiling fan. This is going to have 3 air conditioning units in it also. And it has this great sectional area right here. This is nice. It's huge. And what's crazy is I'm sure you've been to the rest of the RV at this point, how they're able to fit this in here is kind of crazy.
Yeah.
The TV's not overly huge, but I think it's a good size for an RV. A lot of folks are going to these enormous TVs, but for the distance you're sitting from it, I really like how practical this size is. JBL soundbar right here, panoramic fireplace, plus you have a storage ottoman down here, which opens from one of these sides. And on this side, you're going to have your dinette, which twists around if you want to have it as a 4-person dinette, and the chairs are probably under the bed, or you can leave it like this and use it as a desk with these huge windows in front of you. These are what they call their atrium windows with the MCD day-night roller shades on here as well, MCD being the best brand when it comes to those. All right, so what I wanted to do first is show you that there is a loft in here, and they actually put a really nice ladder to get up to that loft versus a straight up and down ladder. It's a good size space in here. It looks to be about a queen size bed. You have an AC unit right above it, and that's ducted. And then as we step into this space, check this out. So this is a full 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. So you have all sorts of cool stuff going on in here. You have all this wardrobe space, which is really, really nice. Tons of cabinetry, tons of storage. This all slides out like this on both sides. You have, again, a tremendous amount of space in here. I mean, this is just a wall of wardrobe. It is absolutely beautiful. As I pan around this way, you have a queen size bed in here with dedicated end tables on it, power, everything. I mean, this is essentially the type of bedroom you would see as a standalone bedroom, let alone, one that's part of a 2-bedroom unit. Then over here in the bathroom, you have the solid surface countertop, undermount stainless steel sink, huge medicine cabinet in here. You have a macerating toilet here at the end, which is also porcelain. Then you have a nice large window right here with a blackout shade on it as well. Plus you have some drawers here for storage and underneath cabinet. And you have a huge shower in here. And it's huge because you have the entire height that is available to you. It's on a nice slide bar as well. And there's a 2-piece shower back here, but it is a good size shower. So yeah, this is a great bedroom space. And as we work our way up to the front, here are where all your controls live. You have your thermostat over here. No carpet in this unit at all. And then you have your master bathroom. So porcelain foot flush toilet, soft closing lid, solid surface countertops, undermount stainless steel sink, good sized medicine cabinet, more storage right here. Towels and toiletries could easily fit in there. You have a multi-head sprayer with wand, 1-piece frontline shower in here, along with a nice bench in here, and it also dips down into the floor, so it gives you additional height inside of the shower, which is nice. Then you have 2 entries into the bathroom. This is really cool, so this flips up for storage underneath. Plus you have your drawers right here. Your TV mounted on the wall. King size bed. It's nice and low to the ground, so it's easy to get to. Flip this up. You have more storage underneath here as well. Don't know where they put the extra chairs. Really, really nice padded headboard, sconce lighting, another Coleman Mach air conditioning system for a total of 3 units. Nice valances, blackout shades as well, plus a beautiful, beautiful front closet. This is really, really nice. And this is actually solid surface, so they didn't put thermofoil anywhere in this unit. It is really, really nice. Plus ability to hang up here. I love the fact that they have the little notches cut out so your clothes don't bounce around. Then you have a spot here for either extra storage for hanging clothes or for a washer and dryer. It's all prepped for a washer and dryer, stackable unit. And then you have additional storage right here. It's just because they found an extra spot and they're like, why waste it? Let's put a cabinet there. Plus a 12-volt smart TV in here as well. Just a really, really cool fifth wheel. All right, guys. What's your opinion? What do you think about this unit?
I love it. I love 2-bedroom concept. I think the second room is beautiful. The master is obviously great, but I mean, I think I'd almost rather stay in that one, which is pretty awesome. I think Dave might be sold. He might be in the market for something like this.
You like this one, man?
Yeah, I think this is my favorite one. I think having the 2 bedrooms and 2 traditional bedrooms in the RV plus the loft up there, it's just a really great unit for a family, and the kitchen's great, the living room's great, so yeah, I think I really like it.
Yep. The only area, of course, they sacrifice some space from the kitchen.
Yeah.
It's not huge, but it's very functional, and it's nowhere near as cramped as some of the units we've actually walked through from other manufacturers. So they did a really good job executing on it. No, I really like this unit. This is by far my favorite. I think they nailed the second bedroom better than any other manufacturer I've seen. The ones that I've seen that have done this typically have like a small sofa in here, and that's it. But you still get a tremendous amount of seating capacity in here for a large family. Because if you have a unit like this, it's very likely you have a lot of family members with you. And the fact that they were able to execute the way they did, with still giving you a dinette in here that can seat 4 people with the other 2 chairs, as well as this large sectional, I think they hit the nail on the head with this floor plan. It is absolutely awesome.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Yep, 10 out of 10 for me too.
Yeah, big fan. 10 out of 10.
Anyways, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. It's a large unit for sure, but you need a large RV to be able to fit all this stuff inside of it. And I think they did very well. Guys, if you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to you again very, very soon.